Look at all the flowers on those mangoes. That's my neighbors right there. See them far away. And show you right here. I got flowers right there on my white mango, all the way to the top. I severely trimmed the other mangoes, so I'm pretty sure this year they're not gonna give me anything. But I left this one. I didn't trim this one, so this one should give me a good amount of mangoes. It always does. And in fact, it already had flowers a few weeks back, and you can tell right there. You can see it has already the little mangoes on those, and it's got new flowers as well. So this one's prolific, and it doesn't grow that tall. It's pretty easy for me to manage. Just cut it back every few years, and it gives me a ton of mangoes all the time, just like the yellow one. I believe these trees are kind of like the white mango. I think it's like a turpentine type, and that you can kind of associate it if you're familiar with turpentine. I believe Julian told me that one time from Larda Farms. Since I got those two trees actually from the parent trees at Larda Farms. And I wanted to show you also, you can see here that the Mamey tree also is full of flowers. And you can see right here my avocado tree as well. It's got flowers everywhere as well. That's my Simmons that I had cut back last year, and it only gave me a few last year, but now this year it's just full of flowers everywhere. So, and these are my favorite. They just, to me they taste great. So looking forward to having a good harvest this year. And like I said, got Mameys flowering, the avocados the mango trees are flowering a great deal. All the trees around here, they're loaded with flowers. So we'll see how this season goes. Last year was pretty good for mangoes, so we'll see if this one also turns out to be a good one. All right, guys. Just wanted to give you an update on all the flowering happening here around the urban farm here. God bless.